Good morning, my beautiful yogis and yoginis. My name's Genevieve, and thank you for joining me today for this lovely 10-minute morning stretch to open up and lubricate all the joints and really set you on a good note for your day. Come to find a seated cross-legged position, and if you're not comfortable sitting right on the floor, elevate your bum up a bit on a pillow or a blanket or something just to open up through the hips a bit to let those knees fall down towards the ground. Let's begin with some neck stretches. So bring the chin towards the chest and then tilt the left ear towards the left shoulder. Keep the shoulders straight. And then take the left hand holding onto the side of the right side of the neck. Extend the right fingertips out beside you. Give a gentle little traction on the side of the head. And then maybe play with the position of the chin by rolling it up and down. Trying to find a juicy, extra stretchy part on the side of the neck. And when you find it, just hold it there for a moment.
I'll tell you what.
Exhale, slowly release that. Let the chin fall towards the chest and roll the head over right ear to right shoulder. Take the right hand to the left side of the head and extend the left fingertips out beside you.
I don't think winning's gonna help me at all.
Stay with the position of the neck, forward and down.
Because she came here with you.
And very gentle here, just dusting off the cobwebs from the night. And exhale, slowly release. Let the chin fall towards the chest. Interlace the hands and bring them to the very base of the neck. Draw the elbows in, let the shoulders drop. Then exhale, give a gentle tug down on the head so that the chin comes even closer to the chest, stretching out through that upper back. And tune into your breath. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Gently release your grasp. Bring your head up to neutral. Bring the fingertips behind you and feel the sternum reaching up towards the sky. Then drop the head back, creating space in the back of the neck so you're not crunching. And then maybe close off the teeth to stretch through the front of the throat. Inhale back through center, exhale, release. Now meet me in a tabletop position, coming into a few rounds of cat and cow. Wrists are underneath the shoulders, shoulder distance apart, fingers are spread, and the knees are right underneath the hips, toes are tucked. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, scoop the belly, round the back, tuck the chin. Inhale, look up and lengthen, arc the spine. Exhale, scoop and round. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, find neutral. Step your body, actually, let's stay here. Let's come into a bear plank here. So push into the hands, push into the toes, and just lift up the knees, firing up through that core. So the knees are just hovering an inch or two off the floor. Feel the belly drawing in and up. Engage through that core. We're firing up the belly here, creating more energy and more heat in the body. Really, really helpful to do first thing in the morning. One more breath, push the mat away from you, and exhale. Drop the knees to the ground if you need to, or step your body back into a plank position where your shoulders are over top of the wrists. Lift the hips up, downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet here, opening up through the backs of the legs.
Well, I'll tell you what, Peter.
Then find stillness in your down dog. Push the hands into the ground, especially that meaty part in between the thumb and the pointer finger. Now bend the knees Try and get your belly to your thighs. Tilt the tailbone up to the sky even more. Pull the shoulder heads back into their sockets. Keep the hips where they are, and then lengthen the legs. Trying to find more stretch in the back of the legs. Heels do not have to touch the ground. Not mandatory. Then on your next exhale, at the bottom of the exhale, bend the knees, pull the hips away, look forward, and step up to the front of the mat. Big toes touching. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Hands can come to shins or fingertips to floor. Exhale, fold forward. Hold on to opposite elbow, coming into ragdoll. Just swaying back and forth. Try to keep the hips over top of the heels here. Then find center, nod your head yes, shake your head no. And release the arms. Bring your hands to your hips. Inhale, reach the heart forward, hips over heels, shoulders draw back, engage through the core as you come all the way up. Inhale, lift the arms up. Hold on to your right wrist with your left hand and crescent over towards the left. Let the right hip go out to the right. Both hip bones pointing forward. Inhale, come on back up. And exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale up to standing. And exhale, dive forward. Hands to heart center. Drop the head. Inhale, look up and lengthen. And exhale, fold. Plant the hands, step back into plank. For this first Surya Namaskar A, drop the knees, wave the body past the wrists, bend the elbows, let the chest come in between the hands. Lengthen through the legs and the tops of the feet. Inhale, cobra. Draw the elbows in towards the body. Exhale, down. Tuck the toes, push up through tabletop, and find your downward dog. Inhale.
I don't think winning's gonna help me at all.
And exhale. So that's your modified Surya Namaskara. We'll do 2 more rounds, so you can repeat the same sequence we just did, or we'll build onto that for the next 2 rounds. Bend the knees, pull the hips away, look forward, step up to the front of the mat. Inhale, look up and lengthen, draw the chest forward. Exhale, fold, lift the hip bones, lift the sit bones rather. Inhale, look up, reaching all the way up. Gaze up at the hands for Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep up, look up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Strong legs. Exhale, fold, plant the hands, step back into plank. Either drop the knees or glide forward, chaturanga. Legs stay off the floor. Inhale, upward dog, or come into your baby cobra. Exhale, lift the hips, tuck the toes, downward dog. Inhale, and exhale. Fine tune your breath, slow down the heart rate. 1 more breath in, and out. Bend the knees, pull the hips away, look forward, step up to the front of the mat. Big toes touching, heels are about 2 inches apart. Inhale, look up and lengthen, and exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep all the way up, and exhale, hands to heart center. 1 more time, sweep up, exhale, dive. Inhale, look up and lengthen.
I'll tell you what, Peter.
Exhale, fold, plant the hands, step back, glide and lower, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Blossom the heart forward. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale.
I don't think winning's gonna help me at all.
And why not?
1 more breath in.
Because she came
Outer
here.
hips pull back. And exhale. Bend the knees and drop to the floor here. Knees are wide, toes are together. Come into child's pose.
You can stay in child's pose, or for our last few moments,
come to find a seated, comfortable position, and we'll come into a quick moment of meditation. Hands come to your knees, and if you want to find more internal calmness, have the palms facing down. And if you're welcoming more energy and vitality today, or needing that from the universe, bring the hands to have the palms face up. And just notice, close the eyes. Notice where you might feel more spacious and open after this quick 10 minutes that you've given to yourself. Take one more deep breath in, breathing in life and energy, or groundingness and calmness. And deep exhale, sigh it out, releasing tension. Gently flutter your eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I will see you on the mat next time. Namaste.